Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make text to speech sync on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and record a video. So I'm going to select from gallery to save my time. Okay, then you need to click on next, or you can add text on that first. So I'm going to add hi, I am coming. Once you done that, you simply need to hold that text and click on text to speech, and in the bottom you will find the option of sing. Once you click on that, the text will be singing. So this is a process by which you can make text to speech sing on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.